always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique. I love shopping with you. Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse. Oh my, what a good choice. Isn't this fun?
Hi there, ni hao, welcome to Toy Princess. Today we have the Minnie Boutique cash register. So cool. Yes! Turtle.
Oh my,
Oh
what a
my.
good choice. Isn't this fun?
Oh yes, Minnie, it is going to be so much fun. This is a super cool cash register. So Minnie's Boutique cash register makes realistic sounds and Minnie phrases. Woo, the drawer opens. So cool. And you get, ooh, what do you get? Cash register with scanner, pretend credit card, ooh, wish it was real, 3 play coins and 4 pieces of play money, which will add up later. Ooh, hey Daisy. Ew. Let's get everything out of the box so we can check it all out and play. Yes! So here is our Minnie's Boutique cash register. Cash register out of its packaging, which was really annoying. It had the screw thingies in there. And we have a scanner here with Minnie's cute little face on it and a beautiful bow on there. Boutique. Hello. The register up here has Minnie's cute bow. The only thing, unfortunately, it doesn't automatically add up your total. So it's always $9.99. All good. Our drawer opens. Oh, it should open. Aha! Ta-da! Put our money in there. We have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Plus decimal point. More buttons, which just make noises. Open the register. And Minnie.
You can always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique.
Which of course you can. We also get money. Ooh, yes. We have a $1 bill with Daisy, a $5 bill with Minnie, a $10 bill with Minnie, and a $20 bill with Daisy, taking our total amount of money up to $20, $30, $35, $36. Woohoo! We're rich. We also get 3 coins here. We have a 5-cent coin with Minnie's bow on the back, a 25-cent coin, and a 10-cent coin, totaling 10 plus 25 is 35 plus another 5 is 40 cents. Woo! And if that's not enough money to pay for what you need, yes, you have Minnie's charge card here, credit card, and it's valid until 2020. So, yay! Let's go shopping at Minnie's Boutique.
I love shopping with you.
Thanks, Minnie. Me too. Oh, today, coming to do their shopping is Ariel Little Kingdoms. Yeah. Whoop, stand up, Ariel. The cash register is giant sized, which is okay. Ah. 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 Ariel does not want to stand up today. We'll just lean her on the cash register. And Anna is shopping as well. And they are having a party. And they have bought lots of Shopkin sweet treats. Wow. So let's put all our shopping through the register and go home so they can have a party. Woo! Yeah, we're gonna go crazy from a sugar high. Ooh, I might have already had one. So first we have Anna's basket here. Ooh, and she has 5 items. Let's go. Can you even hold that basket, Anna? Sure, yeah. Thumbs up. Woo, Little Kingdom arms do not stay up very well. Nope. Okay, there we go. Haha! Lovely. Put your basket up there. Out you hop. Put it there, actually, and each item can go on separately. I think we lost one. Here we go. Starting with Cinnabon. Yum. Cinnabon. There, and scan. Scan. Oh, it's even got a button. I wish the button made noise, but we'll just pretend. There we go. And that is, ooh, we'll say Cinnabon is $1. Yes. In the empty shopping basket over here. Cinnabon. Next, we have Peachy. Or is that apricot? I think it's Peachy. And Peachy was 50 cents. So we're up to $1.50. Keeping track? I hope someone is. Yum cupcake. I don't remember your proper name, but you're a yummy cupcake thing. Woo. And you can be $2. Woo. So up to $3.50. Merry meringue. Merry meringue. Merry meringue. Yum. Meringue. And Merry Meringue is actually super rare, awesome, cool. So she's a bit more expensive at $5. Woo! That makes it $8. Oh dear, $8. That's right, Anna. Can you stand up? Ah, no. And last, we have Eggy. Eggy? Hey, I like eggs. Okay, Anna. Sure thing. There we go, Eggy. And woo! Yes. Eggy is $2. Yes. Which makes our total $10. Ooh, $10. I have $10. Okay. And here is the $10. Yes. We'll put our money in here. In it goes. Nice. And close it up. Thanks for shopping with Minnie's Boutique, Anna.
Hi there. It's me, Minnie Mouse.
Oh, yep, next.
Oh my, what a good choice.
Thank you. We're having a party. Now, so Anna's gonna take her shopping away. And next, haha, is Ariel. And Ariel has some stuff as well. We've got an empty basket over here for your finished items. And there we go. Reset. Let's go. Meringue. Ooh, that's an expensive meringue. That's $5. Oh dear. We also have another cake with frosting. Yum! You guys are definitely having a party. Yes! And that is $4. Woohoo!
Isn't this fun?
Yes, it is! Ooh, a little, is that a cupcake or a jellyfish? I forget. Even if it's a jellyfish, I'll eat it because I was a mermaid. Whoa. That's nice, Ariel. Good one. $3. I've lost count. I think that might be $10, up to $10 maybe. Okay, and last item. Huh? Flaky, jakey, flaky fish foods. I was a mermaid. I like to eat fish food. Okay, Ariel. Woo, rolling, rolling, rolling. 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 How much is your delicious fish food? Put the scanner back in there. Woo. And that roll was $26. That is expensive fish food. And our total is, I've completely forgotten. Maybe $36 maybe? Did everything else come to 10 and then that was 26? Maybe $36. Okay, so unfortunately, Ariel, you don't have enough cash. Even with your coins? Nope, not enough. Oh, dear me, I'm just gonna have to use my card, please. Okay, let's charge it to the card. And we just give it a little swipey swipe. The card's bigger than her. That's hilarious. Yes, swipe. And your purchase is paid for. Yay! Thanks for shopping. Enjoy your party. Thanks, we will.
You can always find what you need at Minnie's Boutique.
You certainly can. I hope you enjoyed today's Toy Princess with our mini boutique cash register. Shopping with Ariel and Anna. And some yummy, yummy Shopkins. Tune in again soon. Bye.
I love shopping with you. Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse. Oh my, what a good choice.